Okay, I'm going to show you how to set up these VOCOlinc lamps. I just picked up, they're on sale at Best Buy, and they work with my Homekit. So to set it up, you got to follow these easy instructions right here. I have both Homekit installed, and I installed the VOCOlinc software too. And make sure you set your Wi-Fi to 2.4 gigahertz, or else it won't work. You can switch it back to 5 gig after that, and it'll work fine. I'll show you how to install this. I already downloaded VOCOlinc, and I have Homekit downloaded too. So you open the app, hit Add, Light, L3, and you have to reset the lamp. Power it up and down 3 times within 5 seconds. Turn it on again, and it should flash. There it goes. Okay, it's reset now. Confirm. Next. Then you have to take a picture, which is this one here. And this takes quite a while. Okay, it says it's done. You can add to a room. I'm going to add it to the living room and change the name. Lamp. Done. And when you go back to your app, it should be there. You can turn it off, turn it on, change the brightness, change color. I'm not doing that now. And it should be in the VOCOlinc app too. Okay, that's it.